quick reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th, Aries. Your cards are the Tower, King of Swords, and the Hermit. So napapansin natin na ngayon, siguro nagsisink in kay person, no? Kung bakit nagkaroon kayo ng separation, bakit itong inyong relationship ended up like this. Meron din ditong, oo kasi hinayaan ko, oo kasi pinabayaan ko, with the King of Swords, sana inayos ko, hindi na lumaki. Yung prevention is better than cure, sana. Yun yung dapat naisip nitong person na ito. With the Hermit card kasi, ngayon pa lang nagsisink in na ito pala yung mga answers or solutions na pwede dapat ginawa ko. Pero instead, pinabayaan ko kaya nagkaroon ng separation. Meron mga pagsisisi dito. I don't know, pero nakakita din tayo ng may plan, pero wala pa naman yung actions. Nandito pa lang yung si person is planning to siguro mag-set up a date para ayusin ang issues ninyong dalawa. So this is your quick reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th, Aries.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.